Welcome back to BA Performance. Today I'm going to show you how to take the clunk out of the front end of your 4th Gen 4Runner. The clunk that you're probably hearing is your sway bar bushings, and not the end links, but the actual bushings that hold it to the frame. They're going to look like this right here. I picked mine up at O'Reilly's for $20, and they're going to look something like that. So I'll show you where they are and how to get them down. Some of you will have a skid plate right here. This one doesn't have it. I don't know. It didn't come with it, or it got removed, or fell off from rust. So right here is your sway bar, and this is the bushing that I'm talking about right here. So there's two bolts, one here and one here, and that removes the metal clamp that is holding it up. I already removed the one on that side, so now I'll be removing the one on this side. If yours is rusty like mine, you're going to want to use some kind of lubricant penetrator to loosen up the threads a little bit. So then once it comes down, you can take the metal bracket off, and then you can also take the bushing off. So you can, it might be hard for you guys to see, but you see this one is perfectly round, and this one here is kind of more egg-shaped. So that extra room in there, you see it's narrow there and a little bit thicker here. The extra room in there, that bar is slapping around, and you know, it's banging on the frame. So next thing we're going to do is put a little bit of grease inside of here. I've got this boat and trailer grease. Use whatever you want, and you just need a little bit. This is going to keep it from squeaking and make it easier for the bar to rotate in there, so it shouldn't wear out as fast. And then you can put your bracket back in. Probably be easier to fully remove the bolt. And that is all it takes to switch out your bushings on your sway bar. Obviously you want to do the same thing on the other side, and then treat yourself to a beer. This is Mango Coconut Sticky Sour, collaboration by Untitled Art and Drecker Brewing. So let's see how it is. Oh, that's really pretty good. It's sweet, and it's sour, sweet and sour. And when it first hits your mouth, there's a little tingle on your tongue. Fruitiness bouncing off, almost mangoey. I don't really taste coconut, but I think that's just the sweetness in it. Overall, I give this a 9.5 out of 10 quaffable. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.